Milan Malpensa Airport. Silvio Berlusconi is an international airport in Lombardy, Italy. It is the largest airport in northern Italy, serving Lombardy, Piedmont, and Liguria, as well as the Swiss canton of Ticino. The airport is located 49 kilometers, 30 miles northwest of Milan, next to the Ticino River dividing Lombardy and Piedmont. Malpensa Airport is ninth in the world and sixth in Europe for the number of countries served with direct flights. In 2024, Malpensa Airport handled 28.5 million passengers and was the 22nd busiest airport in Europe in terms of passengers and second busiest airport in Italy in terms of passengers after Rome, Fiumicino Airport. It is the busiest airport in Italy for freight and cargo. Together with Milan Bergamo Airport and Milan Linate Airport, it forms the Milan Airport System with 56.9 million passengers in 2024, the largest airport system in Italy by number of passengers. Malpensa Airport has two passenger terminals and they are connected by free airport shuttle buses and trains. Terminal 1, which opened in 1998, is the newer, larger, and more prominent terminal. The terminal is divided into three sections and handles most passengers on scheduled as well as charter flights. Concourse A handles domestic and intra-Schengen flights. Concourse B handles non-Schengen and intercontinental flights. Concourse C B2 handles non-Schengen, intercontinental flights and security-sensitive flights to the USA and Israel. Terminal 2 is the older terminal. It was closed in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic and reopened in 2023. EasyJet has been the sole tenant of Terminal 2 since all charter services, which were previously based in Terminal 2, moved to Terminal 1 upon the latter's opening. If you download Milan Airport's app, available for all Apple and Android devices, in Italian and English, you will have real-time information for both departing and arriving flights, possibility to make purchases of the main airport services in a simple way. The purchased tickets will be automatically available in the app, ready to be used at the airport without the need for paper receipts. Complete an updated list of shops and restaurants present in the airport. Sheraton Milan Malpensa is the only hotel with direct access to Terminal 1 of Malpensa Airport. The four-star hotel features 437 soundproofed rooms, including 21 suites and 58 club rooms that give exclusive access to the Sheraton Club Lounge. Guests can also enjoy 1,000 square meters of spa facilities with an indoor pool and our 24/7 Sheraton Fitness Center. The hotel is also one of the biggest conference center hotels in Italy, with 18 meeting rooms accommodating up to 1,100 people in the main ballroom. The official airport car parks, covered and uncovered, guarantee more safety to your car and allow greater comfort and speed. In fact, parking in the official parking lots of Malpensa Airport saves you a great deal of time, since all the parking lots are located either directly connected to the check-in area or a short walk from the terminals. You can buy your parking at the airport in a simple and immediate way by choosing between the most traditional payment platforms and the most innovative ones. You can pay your parking with cash, credit card, telepass, or even directly at the airport with a simple click at the best available price, with a simplified shopping experience where you never waste precious time. Whether you are accompanying a departing passenger or waiting for an arrival, the airport offers convenient and accessible short-stay solutions. You'll find specially designed areas at Terminals 1 and 2, offering quick access near arrivals and departures. Remember that you can use the controlled traffic area for a maximum stop of 15 minutes, or the free waiting area located between the two terminals for a maximum of 60 minutes. The airport is served by two train stations, one at each terminal. Malpensa Express is a direct train connection between Terminal 2, Terminal 1, and Milan City Center. As of 2019, its service is based on a clock-face timetable with 4 services per hour in both directions, 2 run between the 2 airport terminals and Milan Cadorna Station, the other 2 between the 2 airport terminals, Milan Garibaldi and Milan Centrale stations. All services call at Busto Arsizio Nord, Saronno, connections for Como, Novara, and Varese, and Milan Bovisa stations. The journey time ranges between 30 and 50 minutes, depending on the type of service and the number of stops. Malpensa Shuttle and Malpensa Bus Express connect the airport to Milan Central Station, Trenitalia's national railway hub, and for Milan's metro network. The shuttle bus calls at Terminals 1 and 2, Busto Arsizio, and Milan Fair on request. Journey time is 60 to 70 minutes. The airport has a direct coach connection with Milan's Linate Airport. The airport is accessible by a 4-lane motorway to the A8, connecting Switzerland to Milan, and by a 5-lane motorway to the A4, connecting Turin, Verona, Venice, and Trieste. Local access to the airport is provided by the State Road SS 336 from Busto Arsizio and by the State Road from Magenta. To get to Milano Centrale takes 52 minutes from Terminal 1. High-speed trains leave Milano Centrale station for destinations all over Italy, and there are also trains to neighboring countries like Switzerland. About 146 trains a day leave Malpensa Airport train station every day, running between 4:27 hours and 00:20 hours. They stop at Femo Lonate Pozzolo, Busto Arsizio FN, Castellanza, Rescaldina, Saronno, and Milano Bovisa, before either branching off to Milano Centrale, Milano P to Garibaldi, or Milano Cadorna. Returning trains depart from Milan Central train station at 25 and 55 minutes past each hour between 5:25 and 23:25 hours. Trains that leave at 25 minutes past the hour from Milano Centrale stop at Milano Porta Garibaldi, Milano Bovisa, Saronno, Rescaldina, Castellanza, Busto Arsizio, Femo Lonate Pozzolo, before arriving at Malpensa Airport. Trains leaving at 55 minutes past the hour from Milano Centrale arrive first at Milano Porta Garibaldi, before going on to Milano Bovisa, Saronno, Busto Arsizio, and Malpensa Airport. Trains from Milano Cadorna, train station to Malpensa Airport, Terminals 1 and 2. From Cadorna train station, trains leave at 27 and 57 minutes past the hour, between 4:27 and 0:20 hours. They stop at Milano Bovisa, Saronno, Busto Arsizio, and Malpensa Airport. For passengers who arrive at Malpensa Airport on an open flight ticket, it's possible to book special tickets via the www.trenord.it website that cost just €20 per person, €10 for children aged 4 to 13. These tickets are valid for 30 days, and the return date can be changed up to 3 times by going online, as long as the return date is within the stipulated 30-day limit. Otherwise, the trip costs €10 per person, one way. It may be possible to get price reductions with a Malpensa Express ticket / Milano card selection. A single ticket to Rho Fiera from Malpensa costs €4.40. Trains run only to from Rho Fiera Milano exhibition grounds during fairs and exhibitions. To facilitate travel between terminals, the airport provides passengers with a free shuttle service. This service operates to provide a quick and hassle-free transfer between Terminal 1 and Terminal 2, allowing you to comfortably reach your final destination. The shuttle operates 24/7 at an approximate frequency of every 15 minutes. Terminal 1, the shuttle bus stop is located in front of the Sheraton Hotel. Terminal 2, the shuttle stop for P6 is located in front of the arrivals. Terminal 2, the shuttle stop for T1 is located near the train station. Whether you are traveling for business or pleasure, our T1 to T2 shuttle is here to ensure a pleasant travel experience within Milan Malpensa Airport. If you wish to hire a car, you will find the following car rental companies on the -1 floor, near the train station of both terminals. The Malpensa shuttle coach buses connect each 20 minutes the Milan Central train station with Malpensa Airport. The Malpensa shuttle also connect directly the 2 Milan airports, Linate and Malpensa, and stop at both Terminal 1 and Terminal 2 of the latter. In the occasion of fair events, all the Malpensa shuttle stop on request at the Milan Fair, which therefore is reached comfortably and cheaply directly from Malpensa Airport. The cost is €10 one way, €5 for children under 12, or €16 round trip. The 4 Zesisli Pango capsules are located before the security filters in the departure area of Malpensa Terminal 1, second floor, group area near entrance 12. Reaching them is simple and immediate. Just follow the signs to the Respighi VIP Lounge, which is located right in front of the Zesli Pango area. The fast-track service at Milan Malpensa Airport is a convenient way to quickly access security checks and the boarding area through a dedicated path. Thanks to the fast-track lane, you can optimize your travel time and enjoy a stress-free experience. Whether you are a frequent flyer, a VIP customer, or an occasional traveler, there are several ways to enable fast-track access and make your journey through the airport smoother. Find out how to activate the service through your Club C card, online purchase, or dedicated vouchers. Explore the options to purchase access online or through the self-service machines in the airport, and get ready to experience a faster and more convenient travel experience with Fast Track at Milano Malpensa. Baggage wrapping service is possible to use at the check-in area, door 12, 13, 14, 15, 17 of Terminal 1. At Milano Malpensa Airport, a world of possibilities awaits you to meet all your shopping needs. From luxury items to high-quality products, you'll find everything you need to make your journey even more memorable and comfortable. Take advantage of the opportunities offered by our stores, where you can find a wide range of products, from clothing to technology, from unique souvenirs to delicious local gourmet products. By choosing to shop at Milano Malpensa Airport, you have the opportunity to explore a wide selection of brands and products, satisfying your every need and desire as you prepare for your trip or return home. Discover what makes our shopping experience so special and make your time spent at Milan Airports an unforgettable experience. The plazas at Milan Malpensa Airport invite you to immerse yourself in a world of luxury, trend, and taste. Each plaza is designed to welcome you with a unique atmosphere, offering a curated selection of the best brands and eateries. Start your journey by exploring the Piazza del Lusso, a tribute to Italian and international fashion and luxury, where you can find the industry's most prestigious brands. Or discover the Piazza del Pop, dedicated to trends and prestige brands, where you can satisfy your shopping and dining needs with style and originality. Finally, immerse yourself in the Piazza del Gusto, a gastronomic oasis that will delight you with its delicacies and food and wine excellence. Whether you are looking for a special gift, a relaxing moment, or a gourmet break, our plazas are here to welcome you and satisfy your every need.